How to start a pig farm in Nigeria. Starting a pig farm in Nigeria without proper knowledge can lead to losses. Yes, that's why you also have to think very well for your basic knowledge before venturing into the business. That's why automatically we are making this video. In this video, I explain how to feed pig farming in Nigeria step by step, especially for beginners. You will learn how to start small, choose healthy piglets, compare housing, manage piglets, and manage your feedings properly. If you are into pig farming in Nigeria and want practical tips that actually works, subscribe to Ugocentury. Starting pig farm without planning leads to losses. The first step is to start small with pigs you can manage. You don't have to start with 20 pigs. You must not start with 50 pigs. You must also not start with 100 pigs. You can start with 5 pigs. You learn as you grow. From my own tips and my own opinion, that is the best way a beginner can come to the top or rise to the top. Choose healthy piglets while starting your pig farm in Nigeria, not the cheapest ones, because healthy pigs grow faster and cost less in the long run. If you are going to buy pigs from any farmer, you have to select breeders. There are pigs that we call breeders pig. The farmer you want to acquire your pig from should help you to select those pigs that are not so aggressive, those pigs that are not like always fighting or pursuing others. Breeder pigs are always pigs that they are always like calm. They are going to be excellent mother when they deliver their piglets. They are not going to be like pigs that when the piglets want to suck breast, they will be kicking them off. Yes, because it happens in this business. We have seen a lot in this short period of time in this pig business. Housing does not need to be expensive, but it must be clean, dry, and well ventilated. When you are trying to build your pens, you have to make sure that your pens are not, they are going to be solid. At least your floors should be really solid, because these pigs, with our own experience, what we have seen, these pigs can dig deep. They can dig deep. Before you know it, a period of 5 months to 1 year, them being in that particular pen, you will find out that they have messed up all the whole floor. So while trying to build the pens, you have to consider all those things. You have to consider these factors. You have to make it very, very solid. Feeding is very important. Then you also have to consider, while feeding them, the hygienic or the hygiene methods that implies. You also have to think about disease prevention, because actually that should be your daily focus, to stop diseases from coming into your into your farm. I think many of us here have heard about the so-called African swine fever, or maybe E. coli, or maybe worms, and all those such kind of dangerous diseases or virus. They are real. You have to make sure that in your site, at least, let's not just exaggerate, at least fumigate your farm once in a week. It does not cost much. What do you need to fumigate your farm? It's a simple stuff. You just need water and hypo to spread all over your farm. Both the pigs, you can use it to spray on them, to bath them. Yes, not using it to bath them every day, but you can use it on them for cleaning. That is one of the preventive measures for you to make sure that disease is not going to come into your farm. Farming success starts with the correct basis, not big capital. You want to start a pig farming in Nigeria? Start small. Buy healthy piglets and focus on hygiene. Subscribe for beginner-friendly pig farming guides in Nigeria, and see you in our next video.